I'm going to tell you another amazing product that I love, that I recommend, that I use myself, and that is flash drives, USB flash drives that you still, in today's world, still need them. We sell them a lot to law firms, accounting firms, even dental clinics. So, I mean, we make flash drives that can look like that. So here's the flash drive. This is actually one of our clients who manufactures go-karts. So it literally looks just like their go-kart. But what we do with them is that we upload video on here. So their catalogs are on here. So when they give them to potential clients, their catalogs, pricing, and videos are already preloaded onto the flash drive. So yeah, flash drives also just look like these, right? Normal little flash drives. Bodies can come in a million different colors. This little metal swivel comes also like in 4 colors: black, white, silver, and gold. So flash drives can look like that. But we just got these flash drives today, whole box of them for our client. And I just wanted to show them to you because it's kind of different. So it's a credit card. Looks just like a credit card, right? And you just flip it over and insert. So there's their flash drive. So isn't that cool? It can be even as flat as a credit card. Okay, so again, just really cool little flash drive. I like them. Client is going to love them, and they don't take up any additional room really than just a regular credit card. So let me show you how easy it is for your logo to appear on things like this, or like that, or like this. It's just so easy. Check this out. So what happens is a client sends us their logo, and it has to be vector formatted. So when I go to pick it, it needs to have all these little blue dots. That means it's vector formatted. Okay, so I can unselect it and they go away. Anyway, artwork has to be vector formatted with all outlines. Then we create the mock-up. So this is the mock-up. This is the front and this is the back of the drive. And we put the logo in here based on these green lines, which is the print area. And then we send the client a mock-up and make sure that everything is perfect and everything is agreed to. And then it goes through production. And then the final being that there's a box full of these drives ready for the client to pick up. Here's the one I showed you earlier. It's ready to go. Proof was approved. Logo was sent in the correct format. And here's a box of flash drives ready for the client to pick up. And I hope with that you've seen enough to know that we are the perfect company to do all of your branded apparel and your swag. So give us an email at carlsbad@fullypromoted.com. We'd love to take care of you. I'm Sandra. I'm the president of the company, and I'd love to work with you. Take care. Have a great day.